Hi everyone, my name is Jeff and I am from Procore Covers. It's ProcoreCovers.com, and I'm really excited today because I get to show you a brand new style of hot tub cover lift. One I guarantee you've never seen before because we are the inventors of this thing. What makes it so special is it's electric. So with the push of a button, you can now open your hot tub cover. Pop the front open as usual. Down here the buttons, green for up, blue for down. Push of a button, away she goes. In about 20 seconds, the cover is all the way open. What makes it so cool as well, two simple mounting boxes or mounting points. One for the lift arm, one for the actuator. Makes installation quick and easy. Same thing with closing it. Push the blue button for close, and down she comes. 20 seconds later, the cover is closed. But what's really cool about this thing, two more features. Remote control. Aren't these fun? You can stop it in any position you want. So let's say it's raining and I don't want the rain falling on my head or something. I can sit here and use this thing as a rain shield, so I don't get all my head wet, my hair wet, or anything like that. Stop it anywhere you want with the push of a button. It's got safety features, so if it comes down on my head while I'm in here, it will stop and reverse itself going up or down. So it's plenty safe, low voltage, and incredibly easy, effortless to use. Available only at ProcoreCovers.com. Thank you very much.